How did your day go? I sincerely appreciate all of you. In fact, you people have been so wonderful. From the day one till the last day, you all deserve an award. Thank you for your consistency. If there's something I appreciate is the fact that you all were what? Consistent. I also give a shout out to those that have been following up with the recorded version of this class. I also want to say a very big thank you to those that subscribe to my channel. A big thank you to those that watched the video. Thank you for all your comments. I got all your comments, even on the platform one-on-one. So people sent good messages to me. Some people also sent good messages to me via YouTube. Some sent messages to me via Facebook. I sincerely appreciate you. Have it in mind, this knowledge is gotten from God Almighty. It is God that decided to use me as a vessel to pass this kind of message. Thank you. Because some people, once they discover that advanced class has been announced to them on day 2, they will just say, oh, all these ones, they are scammers. But because you know that this man has been delivering this to me, and I believe strongly that if I join this class, I will gain a lot. That's why you are all here. Look at it very well. Many are called, few are what? Chosen. Some people came, once they got information about the advanced class, what happened? They all escaped because they felt that this is a scamming zone. But God is watching my heart. Those people that finish from the advanced class, if I monitor all their results on Hot Forex, you need to see their performance. You'll be marveled. You'll be marveled. Somebody traded yesterday. That guy is just too smart. The performance was great. I was just discussing with Mr. Emmanuel with somebody that started with $100 today. It's just I can't be exposing my account, my Hot Forex account to you. And I'll show you something. Because I can also you can also see the performance of the person. The person started with 100. Let me see if I can show you this thing. He said, seeing is believing. He said, seeing is believing. The person started with $100. And today, the person is having what? $125. So all these things all depends on how we see it. What's the cost for this advanced class I'm shouting at? It's just what? 10,000 naira. And that amount is going for what? That amount is going for 2 good weeks. Like I said, it goes from 14th of June and it ends with 28th of this same June. So that is how it works. Okay. So that's how it goes. So, okay. Mr. Emmanuel, are you there? Mr. Emmanuel, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm around.
Okay. Let me show you my own Hot Forex account. Let me show you where the person came in through. You know, I give out the link and they register and they'll be under me. So I have the right to check their performance. Mr. Chimize, I'm sure everybody can see my screen. I've never done this since when I've been organizing this training. I've never done something like this before. This is the person account. This is the person's ID, 6601-1938. It is not my ID. Oh, it is, sorry, it is $121. This person started with $121. So I say $121. The person started with $100. Mr. Emmanuel, what profit is on top, sir?
This is, okay, I'm zooming in. 121. Look, that's 21.
That's 21. $21.
Yeah.
$21.37, which is almost 10,000. Mr. Emmanuel,
32 cents.
Please, which job in Nigeria? I want you to be very, very truthful and factual with me. Which job in Nigeria would you do? Or which online business would you do? Tell me if you know. Tell me if you know. Except if not for Ponzi scheme. Which online job will you do that you will use 49,000 to get more than 10,000 naira? Even if you drop that money in the bank, you drop 49,000 naira in the bank. Tell me the bank so that I go and dump all my money there. Will it give you 10,000 naira in a day. I'm asking you, sir.
No.
No, if you know, tell me. Let me go and drop all my money there. Which job will you do that is for something thousand and it gives you 10,000 naira in a day? This is the performance of any student you see under me, under my link. They are the students that graduated from this advanced class. Mr. Emmanuel, what commission are you seeing on this month's $21? What commission are you seeing?
That's $7.25.
At least that $7 will buy biscuit for my son. I mean, what do you think?
Sure.
That will buy biscuit for my son. Are you? That was just on one person's account. Just from one, and let me shock you. I don't want to expose other people's account here. There is somebody here that is trading $1,000 in this same place. Another is trading with $2,500. But I am the one trading for them. I get my commission from them, and I get this kind of commissions too from the results I get from them. Are you with me? So if you want to enjoy more of this, advanced class is here. With the advanced class, you will see the benefits of all this. You see this thing I've shown you today. I have never done this for once. This is the first time I will expose one of my students that I'm using my link for. This is the first time I'll do this. But I did this for you to see the reality of this business. Are you with me?
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Let me close that. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you, class. Yeah. All right, let's start. Today's class, I'll be starting with my FX book. Let me type in my FX book. My FX book. My FX book is a platform at which you can use to manage your trades. I repeat, my FX book is a platform at which you can use to manage your trades. Just come here and click on my FXbook.com. So once you click on my FX book, you see all this coming out. Just come here and click on Forex Calculator. Then click on Position Size Calculator. So class, once that is done, on Position Size Calculator, what's the essence of Position Size Calculator? Position Size Calculator is used to manage your trade in the Forex market. I repeat, Position Size Calculator is used to what? Manage your trade in the Forex market. So what do you do? Let's say Mr. Chimeze has $1,000 and he wants to trade Euro USD. And account size, you type $1,000. Risk ratio, the man is risking 3% of his account. Stop loss, the man is adding 50 pips to it. Now what do you do? Click on calculate. Do you know what this means? It means that Mr. Chimeze is risking, look at the money in USD. It means that Mr. Chimeze is risking $30 out of $1,000. It means that Mr. Chimeze is risking $30 out of what? $1,000. Now, class, look at it. If Mr. Chimeze is risking $30 out of $1,000, Mr. Chimeze is also going to know the lot size is going to use to achieve $30. And what lot size is he going to use? He's going to use what? 0.06 to achieve $30. Let's go to my board. Let me give you some deeper analysis. Mr. Chimeze is risking 3% of 1,000. Of course, for some of us that did mathematics in school. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Everybody did mathematics in school, one way or the other. Now, remember the term they call BOD maths, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Off is symbol of what? Multiplication. 3% to fraction is what? 3/100 times 1,000. Zeros cancel zeros. 3 times 10 is what? $30. Do you know that you could have possibly done this kind of simple mathematics? But the question is, do you know the lot size to achieve this? That is the essence of position size calculator. Not only will it tell you how much you are risking, it will tell you how much you are. What's the amount again? What's the amount again? I'm sorry, the lot size is 0.06. It will tell you the lot size. And the lot size is what? 0.06. So this is what the lot size to use to achieve $30. Are you with me? So, class, what does this mean? It means that Mr. Chimeze is either risking $30 from his account. Two things in life. Mr. Chimeze will either benefit the $30 plus $30, or Mr. Chimeze will either lose $30. So 1,000 plus 30 will give you what? $1,030. $1,000 minus $30 will give you what? $970. Now, House, I want to ask you a question. Is this not better rather than for somebody to risk 100% of his account, and if God forbid it goes against you, you have what? Zero, your account will burn. I know on the other side it is advantageous. How is it advantageous? 100% of 100 100% of $1,000 is what? Another $1,000 added, which is $2,000. But class, in this business, patience and risk is one key thing. If there is one reason why I give glory to God, I'm not boasting, I thank God for all. If there's one reason why all the people I've been trading for, I have never burned their account one day, is because of the risk management. All of them, the people I trade for, they are presently, as I speak, they are much. And I thank God for all. It's by His grace. For once, I've never burned the account because of what? Trade management. Thank God I told you 3 days ago. Today, another one withdrew from our account. How much did this start? She started with a certain amount, which I wouldn't want to disclose. And once she withdrew the profit, we splitted it. She got her share. I got my share into my bank too. Are you with me? But if there wasn't a good trade management on that account, are you with me? That account would have been burnt. Nobody wants to do business with somebody that will be burning accounts up and down. Are you with me? That's one thing I've noticed about this business. And like I said, if you do a good job, people will always want to come to you. In all my classes I've been conducting, you always get referrals into classes. Are you with me? So that is that. Mr. Williams, please, can you mute yourself? If you have any question, use the box. Please. So that's that. Let me erase. Let me come to this place. My next phase is my investing.com. You know, I told you all to download investing.com. Remember clearly. My next phase is investing.com. Investing.com is a site that is used to predict the direction of trade. I repeat, investing.com is a site that is used to what? Predict the direction of trades. Investing.com has been used for years, and to the glory of God, many traders have benefited greatly from investing.com. Let me tell you a short story today. When I was a newbie in Forex, investing.com, I got so many good friends.
Michiozo.
I got, so please, If you know you are talking in your background, I'm begging you, you don't need to unmute yourself. Please. If you know you are speaking on your own background, don't unmute yourself. Because as you are even unmuting yourself, the network is being affected too. You are disturbing the class. Please. Thank you for your cooperation. So that is investing.com. Investing.com is just the app whereby people who used to predict, okay, what is happening in the news? Fundamental traders, they enjoy investing.com so much. I told you something the other day that sometimes you can do news trading. How do you do news trading? You come to investing.com, you predict a trade, you watch the news. If the news is entering the market 5 minutes ago, you can quickly dive into the market as at that time. The day I news trade, oh my Lord, my God, all my students were calling me because why? The profit was what? Massive. So investing.com is used. Investing.com can be used to predict the number of pips assigned to a trade. Let's do practicals. Let's say I come here, investing.com. I'll go to tools. I'll come here, I'll click on Forex volatility. Once I click on Forex volatility, look at it. AUD card, the first pair you are seeing there. AUD card is having how many pips? Sell to 1.65. AUD CHF is having how many pips? It's 1.21. AUD JPY is having how many pips? 62.35. How on earth a greedy man, you are seeing 62.35, you now go and trade 100 pips? You are putting your account at risk. Oh, you see, let me tell you something tonight. All those people that will be telling you that Forex trading, I use $5 to make $100. My brothers, my sisters, please, I'm begging you, don't believe in those nonsense. If you have $100, you see that man that had $100, how much did he make? Thank God I showed everybody in the class. The man made $21. If you are making $21 every day, I beat my chest right now. You are far better than somebody working in the bank. I'm sorry if you're a banker here. How? You are doing this conveniently in your house. You are making your money steadily. I say something to people. With the way Nigeria is going, if you are spending money and you are not having a source that is replacing it, you are wasting. I'm sorry, you are derailing. You are derailing. I repeat. This is a good source at which you can what? You can surely refund that capital you have spent for that day. Look at it. AUD card, 31.65. You can just target 20 pips on that. GPP USD, 92.33. You can just target 20 pips on that. If you don't target 20 pips, you can target what? 10 pips on that. Or worst case scenario, you target what? 30 pips on that. Look at all these pop-ups you see. They're just adverts around it. Now, let us now do something else. What if I want to check for the present condition of the trades? Come to technicals. Go to technical analysis. Look at it. All these things are exactly what I'll teach you in the advanced class. RSI, stochastic, MACD, Williams, ATR. There's nothing I'm not teaching in the advanced class. In the advanced class, I'll teach strategies that will look at it. All these are showing that the condition of euro, what's this currency pair? Euro USD is on a buy. Moving average testifies that we have 5. Moving average, I'll teach you in the advanced class. We have 5 buy and 7 sell. Technical indicator, you have 8 buy and 0 sell. You can see this place, the summary year for moving average is a sell. Are you with me? But for all indicators, the summary is what a buy. So you have to be very patient with this trade. You have to be totally convinced. If all the indicators is telling you is a strong buy, if moving average is telling you is a strong sell, that's when you can what? Successfully go ahead. That's when you can what? Successfully go ahead to what? To buy. Let's go to news. Just click on Forex news. Look at it. BD meets British Johnson. Oh, this is not what I want. I want currency pair news. USD JPY price. Can bulls prevail over bears? This is an indication that USD JPY will buy greatly. Look at it. When the bear increases their pressure, it may break down the support level of $108 and daily candle close below it will decrease the price. When you hear can bull prevail over bears, it means that USD JPY can go on a what? On a very strong buy. USD JPY can go on what? On a very strong buy. So let's proceed. The next one is Forex Factory. Oh, sorry. The next one is what's the site again? Yes, Forex Factory. For Forex Factory, click on Forex Factory. Now, one advantage of Forex Factory is the fact that Forex Factory gives you headlines of news. Are you with me? Forex Factory gives you headlines of news. And the headlines of news are French final private payroll QQ, new loans, monetary policy, main refinancing rates. Look at when the December period came, when there was holiday. Forex Factory constantly gave holiday news. And once you get holiday news, what happens? It means that this is an indication that what that you shouldn't trade for that period. Do you know why I love this site? This site will also show you the charts of the currency pairs. Let me click on Euro USD. Look at it. This is a chart. What's this chart saying? That looking at, like I used to tell people, all these things are candles. I will teach you candlestick patterns the second to the last day in the advanced class. That candles, that topic, I love it. Look at it. These are candles. Whenever I see this white going up, is a buy. If you see this blue coming down, is a sell. At this point where you see, there was a tight consolidation here, meaning that the buyers and the sellers, they were what? They were seriously battling. So that is that. These are time frames: 1 hour, 4 hours. I'll teach you time frame. In fact, trading view is what I'll teach you day one of the advanced class, which is on Monday. That day I will use 1 hour to explain time frame, trading view, so on and so forth to all of you. So, thank you very much. It's now time for you to ask your questions, please. This is the end of the class. Please ask your question before we go. We just have 9 minutes. Ask your questions before we go. Mr. Emmanuel.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Well done, sir.
Yeah, I want to ask this display of candles.
Yes, sir.
How do I know when to come into the market? Looking at this now.
Yeah. Number one, these candles are not, you should look at when to come into the market at the last point of the candle. Look at the last candle you are seeing here.
Okay.
Number two,
okay,
you cannot predict any situation of this market now. Why? Because this market is consolidating. Consolidation is
it's not going out,
it's not going up, it's not coming down. So what do?
Okay.
Patiently wait until you see a great move in the market. If you see a great move in the market,
okay,
you can now predict whether you should come in or you should whether you should buy or
still
you should sell. Or you should still wait. But all these candlestick patterns, I will use 2 days to teach you in the advanced class. 2 good days.
Okay.
Teach you in the advanced class. Candlestick pattern is not something you should use a day to teach. It's a powerful topic. It's a powerful topic. I know so. So if there's anybody who is trading and telling that, Mr. Emmanuel, I can teach you candlestick pattern in 10 minutes, or you see it in YouTube videos, my brother, wrong. It's a big lie. I know what I'm saying. It is well elaborated. I know the courses I bought to learn candlestick patterns, and I know courses I bought to get that knowledge. You understand? So,
okay.
If you subscribe to the advanced class, you get that. Understand, sir? So thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of you. All right, class. Is there any other question? Okay, somebody dropped a question. How do I stop trading when making profits? Very simple. You just go to the trade, Mr. Lugard. Once you go to the trade, if the trade is running when you're in profit, hold the trade. Once you hold the trade, you see something like on top, like close in profit. Then what do? You close the trade in profit. In the advanced class also, all these things will not be a problem in the advanced class. You're not the beauty about the advanced class. You're having me for 2 weeks. Ask me any question. I'm there to respond to your questions in the advanced class. Are you with us? So, is there any other question? You can unmute yourself and ask. You have 6 minutes to go. Yes, Mr. Chimize, welcome, sir.
Yes, I have a question. Thank you. Please, I want to ask. I have not really understood when to buy and when to sell. Is it the buying signal? Is it from up to down or from down and going up?
Hello, sir. When you want to buy in the forex market, you don't just buy because the candle is going up or because the candle is coming down. You predict your buying and selling in the forex market with indicators. I repeat, you predict your buying and selling in the forex market with indicators. Those indicators are exactly what I'll be teaching you in the advanced class. See, have it in mind that in the advanced class, Mr. Gospower is going there to teach me how to buy and sell in the forex market successfully. Do you get that? In the advanced class is not the way we are finishing the beginner's class now. Look at it now. What you did here is theory. But at the end of the day, did I teach you how to, when you know how to buy or when you sell? No. Because I felt that these basics are important. But over there, sir, I will teach you 10 indicators, 10 strategies you use to win in the forex markets. Are you with me, sir? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Mr. Williams, speak. Yeah, I'm with you, sir. Yeah, all right. Mr. Williams, I'm with you. Go on.
Yes.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Williams, ask your question.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, class. I appreciate all of you. So see you in the advanced class. Okay, somebody drop a question. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, Mr. Lippert. Yeah, see you in the advanced class. God bless you. So bye for now. I'll drop the account details tonight so that I can start making your payments. And I also drop the videos. Thank you, and God bless all of you. Good night.